Hello and welcome. In my last video where I demonstrated the EMP levelling system, I said that I would be doing a video that showed you how to use the EMP system to put the Alco locks on. And as you can see, we've just pitched up, or parked up, and you've got absolutely no chance of getting those locks on without using a jack or the lock and level or even the EMP system. So let's have a demonstration of how I put the Alco locks on with the EMP system. Right, so what we do now, we have the EMP remote at the wheels with all the locks, and this time we go into manual mode. And what you need to do is ensure that the caravan is level front to back, because we don't really want it rolling. Where possible, you have the caravan level front to back. And how we actually jack the caravan up, you jack, obviously the wheels are on the near side that take the Alco locks, but the offside needs to be stabilised as well. So what we're going to do first is lower the offside jack, and you keep going until you hear the tone change, which I will demonstrate now. So click once to activate the EMP. And there we heard the tone change. So that's the offside. It's taken a little bit of weight off the offside wheels. And now what we need to do is obviously raise the jack on the near side and lift the wheels. Now bear in mind that handbrake must be on at this point as well. So the handbrake is on, and we're going to raise the near side wheels now. And you should start to see the wheels lifting. You'll hear it bite when it hits the ground, there, and you can see the wheels lifting. And that's the wheels off the ground now, so what we need to do now is release the handbrake, and so we can spin the wheels. Right, so that's the handbrake off, and as you can see the back wheel is moving but the front wheel is not, because it just needs raising up a little bit more. So all I'm going to do is just raise it up a little bit more until the wheel moves, as you can see there, and the wheels are now freely spinning. Okay, so the handbrake's off and the wheels, as you can see, are freely spinning. So what I do is when I put the Alco on, you've obviously got the bolt and you've got the locking wheel nut key. I try and get the valve down as far as I can to the ground, and then put the lock in by hand, and the wheel will adapt. And you tighten it up, just get it to line up, and you just tighten it up by hand until it pinches. And then just tighten it up with the wrench. So that's not far off there. Give it a quick pinch, and that's on. Job done. And then what we do now, grab our keys. Put the securing bolt in, make sure you get the right way round, and the cap on. And that's basically it. I mean, I can repeat it for the second wheel as well, but you can see how long it actually takes, and it does take actual minutes. So I'm going to put the other lock on now. Okay, the locks are on. It's now time to drop the wheels. So we go back into manual. Sorry, we don't. We go back into automatic. So, there you go. I'm not going to edit that out, so I'm going to show you how daft I am. Okay, so we go back into automatic. And if you remember from the first video, we have auto level or we have retract all. So what we're going to do now is press retract all. And one thing you're going to have to bear in mind with this is with caravans with suspension, it will move. And you obviously need to put your handbrake on as well. But it will move and it'll feel like it's rocking away like that. But it's nothing to worry about, it's just the suspension settling. I mean, the first time it did it to me, I absolutely panicked and nearly broke the breakaway cable pulling the handbrake on. But no, that's as easy as it takes to put the locks on and retract the legs. And that's it. So I'm not going to waffle on, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you found it useful, please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me any comments, ask me any questions, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.